Look at the skin. That's so nice. Holy shit souls. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, the sky. Hi, so it's been a while. We haven't done an unboxing and I thought, you know, got some packages here. Let's just sit down, have a chill, open stuff with me kind of session. I've got clothes, I've got hair care, I've got makeup, and I've got skincare. So let's jump in with fashion first. I'm really excited because honestly, I got this a while back, but in case you haven't realized, I'm using a different camera now and it took me a while to kind of like optimize the settings and learn how to use it to the best of my abilities, mourn the loss of my camera, etc. So I took a while, I took a break. So oh my god, I'm just really excited to open it now. I have not actually opened it. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, they don't have names on the tags, but I will find them and I will list them down below. So in any case, anything that you see here you want to get, I will link them down below. First one, ooh. Petite Studio, as you can imagine, caters to people like me who are a little bit more petite. This is a pair of like tailored trousers with the belt. I think it's removable. Yeah, it is. Great, you can cinch the waist. It is quite high-waisted, so the zip is here and the crotch runs all the way here. It is a good length. Let me see it. Oh, okay. Oh my god, it fits me perfectly. This is the azalea pants in camel in size S. I just like this camel because I think it's a very nice mid-tone. It's neutral, so it can just go with anything. It goes with black, it goes with white, it goes with most of the colors. Alright, next up is pretty fun because these are separate pieces, but they obviously match. So this is the holly jacket. Oh my god, it's so well made. This is also in size S, but this is what it looks like. Oh my god. This... I'm gonna zoom y'all in. Come on, some dark night. Is that not a beautiful weave? I love it. And it's a bomber jacket, so it's quite cash, but it also has like a little bit of like a Chanel vibe. You know what I mean, right? But it's not as feminine and it's not as, you know, iconically Chanel. I just think it's a really fun take. The weave is like really small, but it has this like burnt sienna color, a lighter sort of like taupe color, a cream and a black. It's just really beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna try it now. I'm actually surprised because it's quite lightweight. Ooh, has this like thingy as well. It is a little bit oversized, as you can tell. It's really comfortable. It's very cute. I look very executive. And we also have a pair of matching pants. These are the holly pants in also size S. These are meant to be cropped, I think. It is also high-waisted. There's a concealed zip at the back. It just looks really beautiful. It is a straight cut with a slight flare at the end, and then the hem is a little bit more girly. It just brings something new because this is so structured and this is so geometric in a way. I feel like although they're really small, and I wouldn't have it any other way, honestly, I wouldn't have these any bigger. It just kind of adds a more like playful kind of vibe, and it also looks a bit like tweed. Alright, next up we have the Stella top in dusty blue. I'm actually kind of surprised because this is in a size S, but it's quite wide. Like I didn't expect it to be quite so big. And you know, blog shops in Singapore, like when they put size S, sometimes they can run really small. So I guess it just takes a little bit of getting used to, but I think in terms of length, it fits me pretty well. And there's also a way to like ruche them together. I really like the feeling of it. It's very light, very airy, and I think it's a nice kind of like dusty blue. And then finally, we have this. There was another top that I really wanted, but I think they sold out. I think it was called the Ruby top or something. Oh my god, you should check it out. But this is the next one. I don't know what the name is because it's not on the bag, but I will find out and list it down below. You can ruche up the sleeves as well. It has a shirt kind of backing, and it just has this like row of small cloth buttons going down. It's really beautiful. This would go really well with the azalea pants. So, oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear everything. Don't be surprised if you see me in a lot of these because, you know, I'm just gonna be wearing these all the time. Moving on, we have KLARRA. I'm super excited because KLARRA is a local brand, and to be quite honest, I've been eyeing their stuff for a while, so I'm really happy. They asked me to pick out an outfit and send this to me, and I just want to like relish in how beautiful this packaging is. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Oh, that's so nice. I'm ready. Oh my gosh. Oh, they don't really have the names, but I'm gonna find it, okay? And I'm gonna list it down below. This is a cream blouse top kind of situation. The buttons are really simple. There's only one. Ooh! And there's one cloth button here, but look at the silhouette. You know me, this is just kind of like my outfit. I know I also said that for Petite Studio, but these are sort of in the same price range, and so I wouldn't expect any less. And I'm very happy to report that like the material really feels very nice. It's very well made, and this is just sort of like a timeless top. Okay, the next item is a pair of trousers, and you're gonna laugh at me because you're gonna think that I just kind of like the same thing because the azalea pants from Petite Studio also kind of look like the same thing, but it's not. This is high-waisted, comes with very deep pockets, which is very nice, has a concealed zip, and it's also white-legged. And I don't have a pair of like white-legged trousers. If I'm not wrong, this also comes in a navy, but I just wanted this color because I feel like this color suits like my palette really well. It also has like a big panel right here, so thank you so much, Clara. I'm really happy right now. Okay, next up we have makeup. Let's do makeup. So I have a little box from Benefit here. Oh, don't mind my ring light. You can kind of see it. It says Club Pink right here. Alright, so from what I can tell, this is gonna be a monthly thing. Okay, let's look at what is in here. Oh my gosh. The first thing I see, I'm super excited about. It's my favorite item from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow. Ah, damn, it's in shade 3. I usually go for like shade 5, which I know is very dark, but I like that kind of intense feathery brow look. I know you can't tell from today, because like I kind of did my makeup a little bit differently today, but I love this. There's also another one that I like to use called the Goof Proof for like fast and full brows, but for me, I like precision, and you know, I like that kind of feathered look. So I definitely prefer the Precisely My Brow. Okay, we've got the Roller Liner eyeliner in black. This eyeliner is still sort of new, like I think they launched it late last year, and I still have one that I already opened, so I'm not gonna open it, but hey, that's awesome. Next up, I have the Porefessional Primer. It's supposed to be all free, lightweight, translucent, and silky, and this is a small sort of travel bottle. And then finally, we have a small mini Hoola. I feel like the shade of Hoola is the perfect like contouring powder for my skin tone at least, and a natural day kind of style. And so that's all from Benefit. Moving on, skincare. Look at this! This is a huge PR package from Clarins promoting their MYCLARINS line, which is a new line catered towards millennials. And I want to say, fun little shout out to companies that give you like kind of more eco-friendly, more sustainable packaging. While I was at the Innisfree event, I kind of was talking to a bunch of other influencers, and we were all kind of commenting on how much we appreciate it when companies don't give us like very extravagant, very wasteful kind of PR packages. Just the small ones with a focus on the products will do. It generates so much waste on our end, and I feel really guilty. Like I try my best to repurpose everything and still use them, but it just makes it so much easier when something like this I can repurpose as a beach bag, like as a plant kind of holder. And also Clarins did a really good job with this package because it made me smile and it made me so happy. It came with this Monstera leaf. It's a real Monstera leaf. You know how I have the fake ones? Yeah, so I've replaced it with this real one that's just like hanging out, you know, in my vase. And also a full coconut. Just a coconut hanging out. Oh my god, I had so much fun. I drank it last night. It was great. The first thing we have here is called the Remove. This is the micellar cleansing milk, and it looks like this. I know a lot of luxury brands especially are coming out with slightly more affordable, aimed at younger skin kind of skincare lines to target like us lah. And I actually kind of appreciate it because I know that Clarins has like a dope ass moisturizer and cleanser if I'm not wrong. The next thing we have is called the Refresh, and this is a hydrating beauty mist. Ooh! Look at it. The packaging so far is really cute. I feel like it's not trying to pretend it's something else, you know? It's just supposed to be like fun and clean and simple. This is the Recharge, which is the relaxing sleep mask. Let's see. Ooh. It has coconut water and extracts of it, alpenrose, fig, acerola seed, and huang qi. And finally, we have Reboost, which is a hydrating cream. So I have 4 products in total with me, and I know that it's not the entire range, but I do want to point out that the products that I received don't reflect like the standard like face wash, toner, serum, moisturizer kind of setup. It has stuff that's a little bit more innovative and very easily incorporated into a skincare routine. It's also very fast free. So like a sleeping mask, for example, the cleansing milk, for example, or like the hydrating mist. I just feel like it's pretty fun. Like, I'm excited to try it. Well done, nature, and it has my name on the back. I missed this out. I know what this is, even though I'm just like opening this package. It's from Innisfree. And the funny, oh no, it opened up on the end. Alright, so in this package, we have 4 of these. This is my favorite Innisfree makeup product that they have. This is the No Sebum Mineral Powder. I use it all the time. I have like 2 in my makeup drawer, one like on my desk and one like inside the drawer. Like, I really love it so much. And this is part of their limited edition like cheering collection. So they got this really like cute bunny doing really weird things. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It says here, featuring 13 limited edition designs to put a smile on your face. It worked! Oh my gosh. You know me, I'm not like a fan of like crazy cute little cartoons, but look at just the graphics. Like, you have to appreciate that. That's so freaking cute. I think I like this one the most, and also I like this like light fun yellow color. Great for baking and great for just kind of like dusting over your face with a brush. It's very light, doesn't cake up your face. It gives you an airbrushed effect when you use it with like a powder brush, and it's just amazing. I also saw a bunch of other influencers get ones in pink and purple, so if you want to check those out, do it. I'm personally very happy with my color range. It's just like super freaking cute. Yeah, that's so satisfying. Oh my god. Alright, final thing, I'm gonna move on to hair care. There was this huge like Guardian event where they invited like a bunch of influencers and like social media people, content creators, me included. It was like an expo for brands and stuff that was coming out this April. So we're just all like, what is that? What is that? What is that? There was so many vendors, so many people, so many stuff to be had, and people were just like holding like 2 big armfuls of stuff and like walking out like struggling. And so I had to be quite careful about what I picked. I didn't want to waste anything, you know. If someone else wanted to have it more than me, then they should have it, because I think they had like very limited sets. So I got this from Papa Recipe. I could be wrong, but I think the guy told me that it was formulated by like a Korean doctor who was trying to formulate stuff for his daughter who had very sensitive skin, and so that's why it's called Papa Recipe. And this is like the eggplant range, and then there's also a honey range. So I got this like variety pack, which is really fun, and I'm gonna try it out. I'm really excited about it. There were also a big bunch of other brands, but I want to show you this because it's pretty like exciting. This is a big hair fang. Ooh, I also have the Dr. Groot stuff, but it's already in my bathroom because I already started using it. This is a new premium like hair care line that's new in Guardian. So I'm just gonna open it like this so you can see. Wow, okay. She means business. There are a bunch of different lines. So there is the hair care, scalp care, moisturizing care, and also hair loss care. So this is it. Oh my god, it's super fancy. And if you're wondering, you don't have to be old to suffer from hair loss, because I think for me, I like to fidget with my hair a lot, and I'm also quite like a hardcore scrubber when I when I wash my hair. So I think I do suffer from a bit of hair loss. You just can't tell because I've got so much, but if it continues, I won't have any hair. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner, and this is the treatment. I remember that when I was talking to the vendor, they said this was huge in Korea and they're making their like big debut in Singapore, and it's doing well so far. So I'm just excited to try this out. Oh, this is so awkward, but I changed out into my pajamas and I'm kind of lazy to change back. I just got a package from IT Cosmetics and I wanted to show you all what I have. We have quite a bunch of stuff. I think the only time that I've interacted with IT Cosmetics is when I put it on the back of my hand at Sephora, and I think I was impressed. These are the CC Plus creams. I have 2 finishes. So one is the oil-free matte pore minimizing full coverage cream, and then this is the Your Skin But Better CC Plus Illumination color correcting illuminator full coverage cream. These are both physical sunscreens and they are in the shade medium. Oh my god, I really hope it's not too dark for me. I think it's okay, I think it's okay. I just blended. Oh my god, you can't even see it anymore. I just blended straight into my skin. But you can kind of see the illumination, right? Just right here, as compared to like this part that doesn't have any. This is a CC Plus color correcting full coverage cream plus hydrating plus anti-aging concealer. I don't know if this is the OG version or if this is a high coverage version because it says here anti-aging concealer. So I'm guessing this is more like a foundation and these are more of like CC creams, like tinted moisturizers type of feel. Oh, okay. Got a little pain flick going on. Alright. Available in 12 shades, so I think it's either a light medium or a medium for me. I got medium in all of them. So the next thing I got is the Brow Power. It's also one of their best sellers and it is their brow pencil. Oh, it's quite weighty, quite smooth. It's like a flattened dome kind of shape. And then it has a spoolie on the other end. And then the last thing we have is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black. It says here there's a 500% increase in volume from one coat. That's pretty insane. I like the packaging actually, it's kind of cute and it's very easy to hold, so I'm excited to try it out. I'm not going to try it out right now because I've got like brown falsies on, which is new and exciting, and I don't think I've ever had like brown falsies on my face. I bought this when I was in Japan because like my friend wanted me to get her brown lashes and I was like, what? So I also like got myself a pair. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna jump back into my end screen because I already shot an end screen, so goodbye awkward interval. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Some mail, some unboxing. It was pretty fun, right? If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more, don't forget to click the subscribe button. No, wait, this is the thumbs up button. And then hit the subscribe button down below. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter to hear me talk about my random stuff. I feel like I post things that I regret posting a lot quicker because I'm like, oh my god, I shouldn't have said that. But y'all live for it. Y'all live for the tea. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! That was such a weird swipe. Bye! Some like TikTok shit.